Bow windows are one of the most beautiful and transformative window upgrades Pell City homeowners can choose. Known for their elegant, curved design and ability to open up a room, bow windows bring in abundant natural light and create the illusion of more interior space. Whether you're looking to brighten your living room, enhance curb appeal, or make a smaller room feel larger, bow windows offer both style and function that homeowners love. Here's how bow windows can make a dramatic difference in your Pell City home. A stunning boost of natural light. One of the greatest benefits of bow windows is how much natural light they bring into your home. Because bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels that arc outward, they capture sunlight from multiple angles throughout the day. This increase in natural light offers big advantages. Rooms feel brighter and more inviting. Indoor spaces are livelier and more cheerful. Reduced need for artificial lighting during the day. Better views of your front yard, backyard, or surrounding scenery in Pell City, where sunny days are abundant. Bow windows maximize the warm, comfortable feeling natural light provides. Creating the illusion of more space. Bow windows extend outward from the exterior wall, creating a graceful curve that adds depth and dimension to any room. Even though they don't physically expand your home's footprint, they visually open up the space and make rooms feel larger. Homeowners enjoy a more open and spacious atmosphere, a cozy nook that can be used for seating or decor, enhanced room flow and better interior design flexibility, a more expansive view of the outdoors. Many Pell City homeowners use the extended ledge of a bow window to create a reading nook, display houseplants, or highlight decor that benefits from natural light. Improved ventilation with multiple operable windows. Unlike picture windows, bow windows are typically built using several operable units, such as casement or double-hung windows, joined together. This allows better airflow and ventilation. Ventilation benefits include fresh air entering the room from multiple angles, better temperature control during mild Pell City seasons, reduced indoor humidity, improved indoor air quality. The ability to open 2 or more windows at once creates excellent cross breezes, helping your home stay comfortable naturally. Increased curb appeal and home value. Bow windows are an architectural focal point, adding elegance and character to the exterior of your Pell City home. They stand out visually and immediately elevate your property's appearance. Exterior benefits include a more refined, upscale look, improved symmetry and home design, greater visual interest compared to flat window designs, increased real estate appeal and resale value. Whether your home has a traditional southern style or a more modern design, bow windows enhance its overall charm. Energy-efficient options for year-round comfort. Modern bow windows are designed with advanced energy-efficient features that help Pell City homeowners maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient upgrades include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings that reduce heat gain, argon gas fills for better insulation, tight, reinforced seals to prevent drafts. These features keep warm air inside during winter and block excessive heat during summer, helping reduce monthly energy costs. Versatile design options for any room. Bow windows complement many areas of the home, but they're especially popular in living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, front-facing spaces, kitchens with scenic outdoor views. They work well with various architectural styles and can be customized in size, shape, and window configuration to perfectly match your home's design. Final thoughts. Bow windows are more than just an attractive upgrade. They're a practical investment that brings more natural light, added interior space, better ventilation, and improved curb appeal to Pell City homes. With their graceful curved design and energy-efficient features, bow windows enhance both the beauty and comfort of your home for years to come.